Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video, a very warm welcome to another live streaming of mine. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, gold and silver. How could the Nifty and Bank Nifty behave tomorrow? And I'm going to give you all levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty as well, the supports and the resistances of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes, I'm going to do that in this video, and if you have any questions regarding stocks or the stock market, I'm here to help you. Yes, I am here to help you. Well, today in this video, I'm also going to talk about you. You, because you are the most important person in this world. Because if you are here, this world is there for you. And if you aren't there, nothing is there for you. So, you are the most important thing in this world. And the most important thing, one of the most important thing for you today is money. Yes, money is very important in this world these days. You know, once I told my mother I want to become a saint. And I said I don't want any money. I just want to become a saint and just remember God 24 hours. My mother told me that, son, if you want to stay in this world, if you want to live in this world, even as a saint, if you want to live in this world, you need money. You need money to eat, drink, and have a roof over your head. To live a peaceful life, you need money. So my mother also encouraged me to earn money, and she always told me one thing: if you want to look beautiful, if you want to look handsome, keep working and start earning money, and never ask anybody for money. Just don't do that. Just keep on working, and what you deserve, the world will give you. Whatever you deserve, the world will give you. You know, some people say that money can't buy happiness. But let me tell you, let me just ask you, does money make you happy or sad? I'd say most of the answers would be happy. Yes, money can't make you happy is not the answer. Yes, money can make you happy. Yes, it can make you happy. Yes, I agree that it will not solve all your problems. It will not solve all your difficulties. But at least money can give you some peace, some joy. It will lessen your pain. It will lessen your agony. It will lessen your trauma. Yes, it will do that. I agree, it will not eradicate your problems and difficulties, but it will give you some relief. So money is very important in your life. And the other thing which I want to tell you all is that some people say that money isn't important. But let me tell you, you need to find that for yourself. Money isn't important, some people say. But let me tell you, it is right there up with oxygen. It is right up there with oxygen. Yes, some people, they talk big that money isn't important. But let me tell you, money is important. My mother used to tell me, even if you have to go to a temple these days, you need money. Yes, money is important for you. So remember, don't waste two things in your life. One is money and the other is time, because time is money. Yes, some people have joined in. Abhay ji, namaste ji, good evening. Sukhdev Podar, namaste. Vishwadam, namaste. Manish Bhatia, namaste. Aman Kumar ji, namaste. You see, the fact of the matter is that if you have money, people will find something cute on you. Yes, if you have money in your pocket, if you have good money, then people will find something cute on you. Even if you are ugly, people will find something cute on you. Yes, the fact of the matter is that your relatives, your near and or dear ones will give you more respect, more admiration, more love if you have money than those relatives who don't have money. Yes, they will find something very cute on you. They will laugh at your silly jokes even if you don't have even if those jokes are not funny. So money is important for you. Yes, money is important for everyone in this world these days. One person has said that money isn't everything, but everything requires money. Yes, money isn't everything, but everything requires money. So even to go to a temple today, you need money. So that is, even if you hate your relatives and if you have money, they will love you in return. This is the times we are living in. As one of my very near and dear ones say, that money isn't God, but it isn't less than God these days. Yes, money isn't God, but it isn't less than God these days. So money is very important and you must respect money. So I was talking about you. So one of the main things in this world today for you is money. So don't waste money or don't waste your time, because the time which goes forever. The clock is ticking and we are all nearing death. That is the fact of life, that we are all nearing death. Sooner or later we will all be dead. So it is better before we die, we do something. We do something for ourselves. We do something for this world before we check out of this planet Earth. Because we are here for a purpose. We are here to make a difference on this planet Earth. And we can only do that by our work. By our work. Yes, you heard me correctly. Mihir Shah, hello. Sir, January to April, which months are more negative for stock market? I will definitely tell you, I have not seen about those months, but between 8th of January 2026 and between 26th of April 8th of January 2025 and 26th of April 2026, there is gonna be a major fall. I was just talking in some of my video live streaming. I had told you all very clearly that the markets would recover at this point in time when Jupiter will aspect the planet Sun from the 16th of November 2024. And as you all can see on your trading screen, that has exactly happened. I had told you all clearly that the markets, the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty will recover. People were talking about 22,000. Yes, no, I had told you all clearly that once Shani goes direct, it goes direct after its retrogression on the 16th of November 2024. You will see the markets recovering. And as you all can see on your trading screen, that has exactly happened. And I have been telling you all in some of my previous live streamings also that be bullish on the market, because I'm not saying it's going to be a one-way rally, but you should have a strategy to buy the dip. Yes, that should be your strategy at this point in time. And let me tell you that maybe the markets don't stop until 25,000. I'm talking about the Nifty. And I had told you all in one of my previous live streamings that I wouldn't be surprised that if Bank Nifty touches a level of 52,000, and that has exactly happened. Yes, that has exactly happened. So, people are talking about these World War IIIs and whatnot. But I don't think so that war is going to happen right now. I don't see that happening. The World War III. No. I've been hearing on the internet, I've been reading on the internet that people are talking about World War III. Let me be very honest with you all, very candid with you all, very upfront with you all. My prediction about the World War III is that it's not gonna happen anytime soon. You know, Mars at this point in time is debilitated in the Cancer sign. I don't see that happening at this point in time, even though Rahu is aspecting the planet Mars. It's not gonna happen. Idea share, December, bullish or negative? See, Mr. Vishwadam, let me tell you very honestly. I have already spoken about idea, and I have been speaking about idea since a long time on my live streamings. And I have told you all clearly, don't start accumulating this particular stock until it reaches 6 rupees. Yes, you should start accumulating this stock at 6 rupees. And let me tell you that I'm gonna tell you all about a stock which is a penny stock, which you can buy for long term. Yes, if you buy this stock for long term, this stock can give you a good return in the future, but you'll have to be patient with your this particular investment. And the stock which I'm gonna speak about, which I'm gonna tell, you see, this is not a recommendation, not at all. If you want to buy this particular stock, you may first consult your financial advisor. Only then buy this penny stock which I'm gonna speak about. I just calculate on the basis of astrology and numerology about a particular stock. I don't use any other tool to predict about a particular stock. So my stock of today is Tasty Dairy Specialities Limited. Tasty Dairy Specialities Limited. It is trading at a level of 11 rupees 35 paisa. Yes, it is trading at a level of 11 rupees 35 paisa currently. And whenever this stock touches a level of 10 rupees or 10 rupees 50 paisa, you can buy this stock for the long term. My target for Tasty Dairies for the next, maybe in the next 48 months is around 35 rupees. So, not a bad stock to own. If you invest in this stock, you can make money. Yes, you can definitely make money. And the name of the stock is Tasty Dairy Specialities Limited. Currently trading at 11 rupees 35 paisa. Yes. So now just let me share with you all my Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for tomorrow. See, during this time when Jupiter aspects Sun, don't go short on the market. You will lose money. Yes, you will lose money. Because Sun represents the finance markets. Sun also represents the stock market. So better you don't go short on the markets, but try to buy the dips. Yes, you need to try to buy the dips during this time until 17th of December 2024. I am bullish on the markets until 17th of December 2024. I don't see the markets. You see, the markets have already risen around 20,000 points from its lows. So, you see the bullishness which has come from the 16th of November 2024, and I had clearly told you all that Nifty and Bank Nifty would become bullish, and that has exactly happened. You know, I am not telling this in front of you all to brag in front of you all, to show off in front of you all, or to impress you all, but to impress upon you all the power of astrology and numerology. With my 32 years of experience in astrology and numerology, I have been able to give you all such predictions. And I am not saying that I cannot be wrong. Yes, I can also be wrong. I am a human being. I am not God. So please remember that. And please consult your financial advisor before you take any sort of trade in the stock market or in the commodity markets, listening to my astrological and numerological predictions. So my level for tomorrow, 26th of November 2024 for the Nifty. My first support for the Nifty would be at around 24,053. The second support would be at 23,189. And the third support would be at 23,948. I don't see the Nifty falling below a level of 23,948. See, if the Nifty falls below 23,948, then you must assume that my predictions have gone wrong. Okay, let me clarify this to you all also. I don't want to keep you all in the dark. Yes, my first support for the Nifty would be at 24,295. The second support would be at 24,408, and the third resistance would be at 24,671. So the first resistance would be at 24,295. The second resistance would be at 24,408, and the third resistance would be at 24,671. I don't see the Nifty crossing a level of 24,671 tomorrow. No, I don't see that happening. So for the Bank Nifty, let me tell you all that the Bank Nifty's first support level would be at around 52,048. The second support would be at 51,926. The second support of the Bank Nifty would be at 51,926. The third support would be at 51,798, and the fourth support of the Bank Nifty would be at 51,653. The first resistance for the Bank Nifty would be at 52,344. The second resistance would be at 52,488, and the third resistance of the Bank Nifty would be at 52,617. I don't see the Bank Nifty crossing a level of 52,700 tomorrow. Yes, let me make this very clear to you all. So this is my prediction for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. Your strategy for tomorrow should be a buy on dips strategy. And whenever you get a higher level, suppose if you get a level of say 24,671 tomorrow, then you should short the markets. Yes. From there, I don't see the Nifty crossing a level of 24,700. That is my prediction about tomorrow, 26th of November 2024. Chandar Mohan Jhulka. I wouldn't like to take any personal, I don't want to see any personal horoscopes in this live streaming. It becomes boring for the other people. So my apologies for this, please. Mr. Chandar Mohan Jhulka, Manish Bhatia ji, sorry, but I don't want to, take any personal questions because other people get disturbed and they find it very boring talking about a particular horoscope. So if you all have any other questions regarding stocks or stock market, then I will be glad to answer those questions. Kleem, good evening Guruji. Good evening Kleem. So I was just talking about money. So okay, Info Edge, December month bullish or negative? Info Edge, let me see. Info Edge, Vishwadham writes Info Edge. For the month of December, from a level of say 7953, if Info Edge falls to a level of 7953, I am bullish on the stock, but not before that. No, not before that. I am not bullish on that stock. 7953, if you get that price, you can enter the stock. Yes. TDSL, okay, TDSL. I've already told you all about TDSL, yes, 11 rupees 35 paisa. This could be a multi-bagger in the future, yes. This has the potential to become a multi-bagger, but this is my astrological and numerological assessment. Please consult your financial advisor. I am not a stock market expert. I am not an economist. Please, don't listen to me. Please. This is just, if you believe in astrology or numerology, you can go ahead. Otherwise, don't buy this stock. Consult your financial advisor. I am not a stock market expert. Please don't. I am not a stock market expert. I want to be very, very clear, very, very explicit in about this. Okay. Any other questions? IndusInd Bank. Clean writes Indus. Oh, this is a good. See, I am bullish. I see the IndusInd Bank stock falling to a level of 853 rupees. Yes, before rising again. So currently it is trading at 1004. I see a downside in this stock. Yes, I still see a downside in this IndusInd Bank stock. So Vikas Zakaria, Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di. Okay, Manish Bhatia writes gold silver range in 2025. Manish ji, let me be very honest with you. You will laugh at me. The viewers are gonna laugh at me if I tell you my targets for gold in the year 2025. My prediction about gold for the year 2025 is that it can go down to a level of $2,200. Between $2,200 and $2,250. Yes, some people will laugh at me because it is currently trading around this 2670 mark. Yes, around 2670 the gold is trading at. And my target for even silver is for the year 2025 is around $24.50 and $25. So be prepared for these prices in the year 2025. Manish ji, I hope you've got I've answered your questions. Reliance stocks, sir, can we start buy for swing in cash market? See, my target for Reliance for until 31st of December is, I have already spoken about this, but let me repeat it for you. Abhay ji, I hope you are hearing. My target for Reliance until 31st of December is 1412 rupees. Yes, until 31st of December, currently it is trading at 1290. Okay, that's, I predicted about this last week. Last week probably on the 21st of November, I predicted that the Reliance stock can reach a level of 1412 rupees. And the stock price at that point in time was 1220 rupees. Yes, I predicted that it would, until the 31st of December, Reliance can touch a level of 1412 rupees. Anil Bansal writes, Guruji, Hindi mein prediction diya karo. Okay, I'll try. Anil Bansal ji, my apologies, but I will try to give you. Okay, if you want Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions in Hindi right now, I will give it to you. अनिल जी, आपको अगर हिंदी में चाहिए बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी के प्रेडिक्शंस अभी, तो मैं अभी दे सकता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे, मेरे को, हाँ मैं दे सकता हूँ, ज़रूर दे सकता हूँ. अगर आप बोलेंगे तो ज़रूर दे सकता हूँ, मगर क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ तो इसलिए मैं अभी इंग्लिश में ही बात करे जा रहा हूँ. ओके, सो माई टारगेट फॉर 31st would be
31st of December, Reliance would be 1412 rupees. Yes. So now, any other questions regarding any more stocks or stock market? See, I have already told you all many times. Emulate, follow people who have made billions and billions of rupees and dollars in the stock market. Don't follow anybody else. Don't follow those people who are showing you that you can earn 8 lakh rupees a day or 1 lakh rupees a day or 50,000 rupees a day or 10,000 rupees a day. Don't follow them. Follow Mr. Warren Buffett. Follow Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Follow Mr. Vijay Kedia. Invest for the long term. And as you all know, you need to be patient in the stock market. Yes, you heard me correctly, that you need to be patient. This virtue you need in the stock market. Yes. And this stock market is also called the capital markets. If you don't have capital, then this market is not for you. You must have enough capital in the stock market, and you should invest your money wisely. You know, I have always told you that stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes, the stock market transfers the money from the impatient to the patient. So, if you are impatient, you are going to lose money. The formula is simple in the stock market. It is nothing new. So, people who have made money in the stock market, follow them. Not other people who are telling you that you can make 10, 15, 20,000 rupees a day. Don't follow them. Follow people. If you want to become very big in the stock market, if you are passionate about stock market, if you love the stock market, if you are determined to make it in the stock market, then you need to be patient and stop looking at the screen every now and then. You should look at your portfolio just once a week, and that is it. You should be doing other things. You should be doing other work other than looking at your screen every now and then. If you look at your screen every now and then, you are gonna panic and you're gonna sell your stocks. So this is something to do with psychology also. No, Abhayji, swing trading, I have no idea. I believe in investing for the long term. But yes, how BTC will move, Abhayji? So swing trading, you know, I can definitely tell you all about swing trading. But the best thing for y'all would be to invest in the stock market for the long term. You should invest your money for the long term, not for the short term. Yes. How BTC will move in the coming time? Vikas Zakaria, very interesting question. Vikas ji, very interesting question. My target for Bitcoin for the year 2025 is $43,000. Yes. Yes, my target for Bitcoin for the year 2025 is $43,000. Just remember my predictions, please. Yes, please remember my predictions regarding Bitcoin. See, currently I believe that the Bitcoin can fall from a level of $1,03,000. Yes, it can fall from a level of $1,03,000. $100,000 and $3,000. Yes. $1,03,000 that Bitcoin can fall from there, and it can fall $10,000. Yes, this is my prediction. From a level of $1,03,000, the Bitcoin can fall to a level of $93,000. Sorry. Yes, please tell us for long term as well as if you have any special. For long term, I have just spoken, Abhayji. I just spoke about TDSL, Tata Tasty Dairy Specialities Limited, and I have already spoken about many stocks in my video, many stocks. So one of the stocks I remember is that Equitas, small finance bank. Yes, Abhiji, you can buy that. But at a level of 40 rupees, not before that. Don't buy that stock above that level. So, you can see there are many stocks to buy. You must have, you must have a diversified portfolio. You cannot put all your eggs in one basket. You cannot do that. Never you should do that. Never in your life. Dulichand Suman ji, Jai Mata Di Guru ji. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali. Dulichand ji, boliye, how can I help you? So, as per your analysis, gold, we have to wait for cheaper price. Yes, cheaper prices. Yes. See, on the MCX, Abhiji, if you want to know my target on the MCX, it would be somewhere around 65,000 rupees. On the MCX, I expect gold to touch a level of 65,000 rupees in the year 2025. Yes, if you want to know about that. Chandar Mohan Jhulka ji, Worry Energy. I have already spoken about Worry Energy. Okay, let me tell you, Worry Energy. Okay, so my downside target for Worry Energy would be 2200. Yes, my downside target for Worry Energy. Just let me see what is it currently trading at. Worry Energy. Okay, let me just see. 2590. Okay, it's currently trading at 2590. So it can go down to a level of 2200 rupees before it starts going up. And that my target for Worry Energy would be 2915 for the next 12 months. Yes, it could be currently trading at 2590. Yes. Any other questions, please? I'm here to help you all. If you have any more questions regarding stocks, gold, silver, let me know. See, if you all want my daily predictions about gold and silver in dollar and on MCX, you're most welcome to contact me over my WhatsApp number. My secretary, Mr. Kalidas, will give you details regarding gold and silver and will tell you how you can get those daily predictions, one-day predictions about gold and silver. Arun Khurana ji, गुरु जी, अब निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी 8 जनवरी तक कितना हाई जा सकता है? 8 जनवरी से डाउनफॉल होना है जो आपने बताया है, और डाउन ट्रेंड के लिए खूब और कौन से मंथ की पोजीशन बनानी चाहिए? देखिए, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, मेरी भविष्यवाणी से एकदम क्लियर है। 8 जनवरी 2025 से लेकर 26 अप्रैल 2000 के बीच में मार्केट्स गिरेंगे और वर्ल्ड मार्केट्स गिरेंगे, खाली इंडियन मार्केट्स नहीं गिरने वाले हैं। हाँ, मैं आपको क्लियरली बोलना चाहता हूं, इंडियन मार्केट्स नहीं खाली गिरने वाले हैं, पूरे वर्ल्ड मार्केट्स गिरेंगे उसके दौरान। और स्टॉक्स आपको हो सकता है 50% सस्ते में मिल जाए, बिल्कुल मिल जाए। देखिए, जो भी 8 जनवरी का हाई होगा ना, वही हाई रहेगा, वहां से ही मार्केट्स गिरेगा, बस मुझे जैसा लगता है। अब वो मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो लाइफ टाइम हाई क्रॉस कर जाएगा निफ्टी अपना 31 दिसंबर तक, वो तो क्रॉस नहीं करने वाला है कोई भी लिहाज से। हाँ, इतना मैं आपको बता दूं। हाँ, मगर तेजी है, इतनी बात मैं बता सकता हूं, 17 दिसंबर तक तेजी बनी रहेगी। और जो हाई बनाएगा निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी जो भी बनाएगा, वो 8 जनवरी तक बन सकता है। मैं देखिए आप लोगों को एग्जैक्ट डेट बता दूंगा मेरे हिसाब से, मेरी ज्योतिष और अंक ज्योतिष के हिसाब से जो मेरी भविष्यवाणी है वो मैं आप लोगों को कर दूंगा कोई ना कोई लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में, वो मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मगर मैंने अभी तक एक्यूरेटली देखा नहीं है कब एग्जैक्टली मार्केट्स गिर सकते हैं, मगर गिरेंगे जरूर, इतनी मैं बात बोल सकता हूं। ओके, नितिन चौहान राइट्स नेशनल एल्यूमिनियम व्यू। ओके, National Aluminium share price 252 currently. It is trading at 252. Yes. So in next year's fall, I expect Nalco to fall to a level of 153 rupees. Yes, my downside target for Nalco is 153 rupees. And after that, after it touches a level of 153 rupees, Nalco, it can go up to a level of 671 rupees in the next 49 months. Yes, my prediction about Nalco, my astrological and numerological prediction about Nalco is that it can first touch a level of 153 rupees next year, and then it can start rallying, and from those lower levels नीचे से 671 रुपए तक जा सकता है 49 मंथ्स में. पहले 153 रुपए जाएगा और उसके बाद 671 रुपए दिखा सकता है 49 महीनों में. बिल्कुल. मारुति टारगेट फॉर व्हेन? मारुति विश्वधम जी, मारुति टारगेट फॉर व्हेन? विश्वधम जी राइट्स बजाज ऑटो. ओके, बजाज ऑटो. लेट मी जस्ट सी. बजाज ऑटो. I think from a level of 8,826, Bajaj Auto should bounce back. Bajaj Auto should bounce back from a level of 8,826. Yes, the downside which Bajaj Auto could still see is 8,826. Adani Enterprise. Kamlesh Bhai Prajapati ji, I have already spoken about Adani. See, I had already done a live streaming on Adani stocks. If you go to my channel Shri Aashish, you will find all my prices on Adani stocks. There are about 10 or 11 stocks of the Adani group. You can just listen to that video and you will get all the prices of the Adani group stocks. But anyways, I'm going to talk about Adani Enterprise because Kamlesh Bhai Prajapati is asking me this question. I'll answer this about Adani Enterprise. Okay, please hold on. Please stay with me. I have already given my predictions regarding Adani. Okay, Adani Enterprises. So my downside target for Adani Enterprise is 1,315 rupees in the next year. Yes, in the next year, Adani Enterprise can see a downside target of 1,315, and the upside target for Adani Enterprise would be 5,717, and that could be within 26 or 35 months. Yes, Adani could see a level of 5,717 after touching a downside of 1,315. It can go up to a level of 5,717 in the next, after touching a level of 1,315 in the next 26 to 35 months, it can see a level of 5,717. Welcome Kamlesh Bhai Prajapati ji. So any other questions regarding stocks or stock market, or should I end my video? Okay, Tata Steel. Okay, Arun Khurana ji writes Tata Steel. I have already spoken about Tata Steel. See, my downside target on Tata Steel is 88 rupees. Yes, and after falling to a level of 88 rupees, it will start rising from there, and after falling, it can go to a level of 389 rupees in the next 38 months. This is my prediction about Tata Steel. Okay, sale. I will take this question also. SAIL. Currently trading at a level of 114 rupees. SAIL. It can fall to a level of, SAIL can fall to a level of 66 rupees in the next year. Yes, 66 would be my downside target for SAIL. In the next year, you could start accumulating this particular stock of SAIL at a level of, say, 66 rupees, and my long-term target for around 53 months would be around, say, my upside target for this SAIL stock would be 297 rupees in the next 53 months. Yes, after it touches 66 rupees, it will start rising from there, and in the subsequent 53 months, it will touch a level of 297 rupees. That is my prediction, my astrological and numerological prediction about SAIL. Motherson wires, maximum downside. Okay, this is a nice question. This is a good question. Okay. What? Motherson's wires. Okay. Motherson wires. Please stay with me. Okay, it is currently trading at 62 rupees and 13 paisa. You should start accumulating the stock not before 35 rupees. Yes, Motherson Sumi wiring. Motherson Sumi wiring. Downside would be around 35 rupees. Yes. The downside, Bajaj Steel. Arushi, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. Bajaj Steel, which is this company. Never heard of Bajaj Steel. Okay, let me just check. Okay, it's currently trading at 736 rupees. Steel is gone up a lot. In the last 6-8 months, the Bajaj Steel has gone from a level of 300 to 736. See, the Bajaj Steel industry stock can fall to a level of 484 rupees before it rises again. 480 Bajaj Steel, 484 rupees. Bajaj Steel, 484 rupees. Yes, it can go down to a level of 400 and it can see a level of 484 rupees. Yes, in the next year. Next year, I believe. So, you see, you should. Sanjay Kalaria ji writes, Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali. Okay, now. No, Arushi ji, I'm very sorry, but I'm not taking any personal questions anymore because it becomes very boring for the other people, you know. Just talking about one person, it becomes very boring for the other person. So, my apologies to you. Arushi ji, my apologies. I'm very sorry. So, I'm just going to take any questions regarding, you know, stocks or stock market. If you want to ask me any questions regarding that, you're most welcome to ask me. I will answer those questions. So, my downside target for Bajaj Steel is 484 rupees. And my upside target, my target for Bajaj Steel would be, say, in the range of 989 rupees in the next 42 months. 989 rupees Bajaj Steel. Okay, so I think I don't have any other questions regarding this. I have spoken about Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you all want to hear about my predictions regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can rewind my live streaming and you can get those levels and my views about Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. And I also give gold and silver predictions. I have already released my video today for my weekly predictions regarding gold and silver. If you want to watch them, you can. Okay, Renuka sugar. I will take this question also. Renuka sugar. Renuka sugar. Okay, Vishwadamji, interesting question. Negative day this week. I haven't seen that as yet. But let me tell you that even if it is a negative day, your strategy should be buy on dips. The formula is simple for this week. Yes. And I have given you the levels for tomorrow as well. Renuka sugar, 39 rupees 99 paisa. Start accumulating this stock at a level of 17 rupees. Not before that. No, not before that. I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy Sri Renuka sugars before it touches a level of 17 rupees. Afcon Infra. Afcon Infra. Afcon Infra. 528 rupees currently. Okay. Afcon infrastructure. I hope it is trading currently. Chandar Mohan Jhulka ji, is it trading currently in the stock market? Say yes or no. Chandar Mohan ji, yes or no. Is it currently trading? Okay, Afcon infrastructure, my downside target would be somewhere in the range of 317. Afcon infrastructure. Afcon 317. My downside target would be, yes, thank you. And my upside target on this stock would be somewhere in the range of 871 rupees in the next 38 months. Afcon Infra. So Mr. Chandar Mohan Jhulka ji, I hope you've got my answer for your question. So I'd like to end my live streaming here itself. Thank you very much for watching. Stay connected, stay safe, stay happy, keep smiling, and God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.